I think a lot of Generation X spent so many years taking care of other people that we completely forgot about ourselves. And the scary part, most of us, we didn't even realize we were doing it, or it was happening while we were doing it. We were busy surviving, working, paying bills, raising our children, helping our partner parent, trying to save our marriage, handling emergencies, grinding through the stress. And somewhere in the middle of all that, a lot of us stopped checking in with ourselves completely. Stopped asking, am I healthy? Am I good? Am I happy? Am I mentally okay? Am I even living the kind of life that I really want? Because your responsibilities were your identity. We learned early in Gen X, life was about carrying weight. A lot of us became really good at carrying that weight, but eventually carrying everything starts to cost you everything. That's why so many people like me are just freaking done, exhausted. We're not lazy, we're not weak, just exhausted, physically, emotionally exhausted, mentally freaking exhausted. Some people spend decades putting themselves last. And now you're dealing with high blood pressure, gain some weight, diabetes, anxiety, burnout, depression, emotional numbness. And honestly, a lot of people don't even recognize themselves. It's sad. I know, because I lived that life. I spent years stressed out all the time, eating terrible, ignoring my health, workaholic, pretending I was okay, while my body and mind slowly paid the price. I think a lot of Gen X did that. We were taught that taking care of yourself meant you were selfish. So we just kept grinding. Even when we were tired, really tired, even when we were unhealthy, even when we were unhappy, even if you're falling apart behind your bedroom door. But I'm learning something new at 57. You can't pour from an empty cup forever, man. Eventually something's gonna break. Your health, your peace, your marriage, other relationships, your motivation, your body. Something eventually says, enough. That's why I started rebuilding my life, walking, eating better, slowing down, becoming healthier physically and mentally before it's too late. Not because I'm trying to become perfect, just because I finally realized that I mattered a lot. And honestly, I think a lot of Gen X people need to hear that. You do matter. You're not just a paycheck. Your health and peace matter. Your happiness is important. Your life matters. And no, it's not too late to rebuild if you're still walking around and breathing. Even slow movement counts. I did a full breakdown earlier on many videos. Please go watch that next. If you're starting over like me, please hit the subscribe button. Type I'm in so I know you're doing it with us. Thanks for watching, Gen X. I'll see you on the next one.